Hi everyone, I hope you have seen our previous videos. Earlier we already uploaded videos on quadratic equation. In this video we will talk about trigonometry. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Okay, so let's start. So trigonometry, this word came from two Greek words, trigonon, which means triangle, and metron, which means measure. In trigonometry, we study relationships between sides and angle of triangles. Okay? So, consider this triangle. This is a right angle triangle and this angle is 90 degree and this angle is theta. Okay? So, in this right angle triangle, AB is the base, BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay? Now we define sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, okay, which is from this triangle BC by AC, okay, because BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, okay, base is AB and hypotenuse is AC, that's why, okay. Similarly, tan theta is perpendicular by base, BC by AB. Okay, cot theta is base by perpendicular, which is AB by BC. Sec theta is hypotenuse by base, which is AC by AB, and cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, which is AC by BC. Okay, so these are the definitions of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and so on. You should not ask like how sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. That's how we define it. Okay. Now, from these definitions, you can see that sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse and cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay. So, we can say that sin theta is 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta because they are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Similarly, for cos theta and sec theta also you can say the same thing. See here, cos theta is base by hypotenuse and sec theta is hypotenuse by base. Okay. So cos theta is 1 by sec theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. They are reciprocal of each other. Similarly, for tan theta and cot theta also you can say the same thing. This is perpendicular by base and cot theta is base by perpendicular. Okay. Now, here you observe that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. How? Because if you just divide sin theta by cos theta, what will be it? Perpendicular by hypotenuse divided by base by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse term will get cancelled. So it will be perpendicular by base, which is nothing but tan theta. Here you can see that. Okay. Similarly, if you divide cos theta by sin theta, that will be base by hypotenuse divided by perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse term will get cancelled. So it will be base by perpendicular, which is nothing but cot theta. So cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So here you can see the formulas. So these formulas you have to remember. Okay. Now here is a note, you always need to remember it. Sin theta is not equal to sin into theta. Okay. This is actually sine of theta and we read it as sin theta. Similarly, for cos theta also, that is cos of theta. So we read it as cos theta. That is not equal to cos into theta. Okay, sin theta is one term. Okay. Similarly, sin theta whole square, you can write it as sin square theta or sin theta into sin theta. But this is not equal to sin theta square. Okay. Now you might have heard about this sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In this video we are going to prove it. Okay. And we will prove this result by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So let's consider this right angle triangle. This is 90 degree and this is theta. So by Pythagoras theorem you can write AB square, that is base square, plus BC square, that is perpendicular square, which is hypotenuse square, that is CA. CA, AC both are same. Okay. So now divide this equation by CA square. So we get AB square divided by CA square plus BC square by CA square, and this is CA square by CA square. So this quantity will be 1, okay, and this, see here, AB by CA whole square you can write it, okay. Similarly for this also, BC by CA whole square, okay. Now AB by CA, AB is what? AB is base, okay, and AC is hypotenuse. Similarly, BC is perpendicular and CA or AC, whatever, that is hypotenuse. So this quantity is nothing but cos square theta, and this is nothing but sin square theta, okay. So we are just writing it reverse order, okay. So sin theta whole square and cos theta whole square, okay, that is nothing but sin square theta. So we just prove this result, okay. This is actually very simple. Now using this result we will prove sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is 1, okay. So we will use this formula and divide this equation by cos square theta, and if you do that, this will be sin square theta by cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta, and then 1 by cos square theta will be there. So sin by cos, that is tan theta, since there is square, so it will be tan square theta, and this is 1 only, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta, okay, and since this is cos square theta, this will be sec square theta, okay. Now in this result we are just keeping this tan to this side of equation, okay. So this will be sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is 1, okay. Similarly we can prove these results also, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, which is equal to 1, and we will prove this result again by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, okay. So this will be exactly similar like previous. Here you just need to divide this equation by sin square theta, okay, and if you do that, this will be 1, and this term is nothing but cot square theta, and 1 by sin is cosec, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to 1. So we just proved this result, okay. Now one very important fact you always need to remember. So consider this triangle. Now this triangle, this angle is 90 degree and this is theta. When we say sin theta, that means sine of this angle theta, then base of this triangle is this AB, okay, and perpendicular of this triangle is this, which is BC. That is the opposite side of this angle theta, that is the perpendicular, okay. But if you take this angle, let's say this angle is theta 1, okay, suppose the name of this angle is theta 1, and if you take sin theta 1, then the base of this triangle is this, not this. Base of this triangle will be BC, not AB. When you take this theta, AB will be the base, but if you take this angle, which is theta 1, BC will be the base. So when you take theta 1, that opposite side AB will be the perpendicular. So actually this picture will get rotated. So always remember, whichever angle you are taking, base will be the adjacent side of that angle. So if you are taking this theta, this is the adjacent side, so this will be the base, opposite side will be the perpendicular. If you are take this angle theta 1, this is the adjacent side, this will be the base, opposite side is the perpendicular, okay. You always remember this, this is a very important point. Now based on this theory, we will prove this, sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, okay. So we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in this triangle, angle ABC, BCA and CAB, their sum is 180 degree. So we know this angle, this is 90 degree, that is ABC. So you just subtract this side of this equation. So it will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. Okay, since ABC is 90 degree. So this minus is nothing but 90 degree. So sum of these two angles, that means this angle and this angle, this and this, that is 90 degree. Okay, so if this angle is theta, then this angle will be how much? 90 minus theta, because of this equation, isn't it? So sine theta, that means sine of this angle is, base is this, perpendicular is, so this by this, that means BC by AC. And what is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse, so AB by AC. See here. But if you take this angle, suppose sine 90 degree minus theta, then it will be AB by AC, because AB is the perpendicular now and BC is the base now, because we are considering this angle. Okay, that's why we have written here sine 90 degree minus theta is AB by AC, because base is BC. Okay, so now you can just compare AB by AC and cos theta is AB by AC. So sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta only. Okay, so similarly, like the last result, you can say these 5 results also. Okay, cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 degree theta, 90 degree minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 degree theta equal to tan theta, and so and so. You can prove these results also by exactly similar manner like the last one. So this is it for this video. From next video we will solve exercise of trigonometry from ML Agarwal book. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.